Hi everybody, welcome back to SimplyPretty Creations with me Venus. In today's video, I'm going to make over this plastic detergent box which comes free with the detergent. I have two of these containers and I have done both in different ways. So keep watching to see the transformations. For the first one, I'm going to use a glossy white spray paint, and I would advise you to use a spray primer first and then go in with a spray paint. Since I didn't have one, I didn't use it. So this is how it looks after 2 coats of spray paint without primer. And to be honest, I ended up using nearly a whole can of spray paint on this container to get a decent coverage. I got these PVC tile stickers from MINISO, and I'm going to stick these onto the front side of this container. I'm cutting off the last row of triangles as I don't need it. Next, I'm going to make a hole in the center of the top of the lid, and for this I'm using a metal skewer which I heated over a flame. This is a ceramic knob which I picked up from E-3. I changed the screw to a smaller one. Actually, the one that came along with this was very long. For the second one, I'm going to use a sandpaper and lightly sand the surface of this container as well as the top of the lid. Now I'm going to use a white chalk paint and paint this entire box and the lid with this. I was running out of this white chalk paint, so I diluted it with some water, because of which you can see that the paint is very runny. You will need about 3 coats of chalk paint to cover this print entirely. Now I'm going in with the sandpaper to lightly sand the surface of this box. Here you can see that I have already marked the holes for the handle screws. Now I'm going to fix this label holder onto this box. For this, first I'm marking these holes with a pencil. And after this, I also used a hot metal skewer to poke holes. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeover video. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel for more DIY videos. Thank you and bye.